Being known as a cradle for Christianity in Asia, it is not surprising that Cebuanos are very religious. Last October 11 to 14, Cebuanos young and old once again show their unending faith and devotion as they braved long lines to venerate the relic of Saint Padre Pio. Having lived in 1887 to 1968, Padre Pio is one of the most popular saints in the Catholic Church. He is known for having carried the stigmata or wounds of Christ that mysteriously appeared on his body. Canonized in 2002, he is the patron of civil defense volunteers, adolescents, and stress relief. "18 years after his death, his body remains incorrupt and is now displayed in a part glass coffin in a church in Italy. His incorrupt heart has been brought to several countries including the US, Paraguay, Argentina, and now the Philippines. We are here today at the Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral where people are lining up to see the relic of Saint Padre Pio. The relic visited Cebu last October 11 to 14 at the Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral and IC3 or International Convention Center of Cebu. The relic will stay in the Philippines from October 5 to 26 to visit Manila, Batangas, Cebu, and Davao. With the visit, the Catholic Church hopes to inspire Christians to have a forgiving heart, with a saint as a role model. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Ryan Guzman.